Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program Ford F150 key fob. Start by gathering all keys and the new fob, then sit in the driver's seat with doors closed and unlocked. Use a sequence of ignition key turns and button presses on the driver door to enter programming mode. Test each fob after programming and repeat if needed. If programming fails, try replacing the fob battery or consult a technician. Before you begin, make sure the truck is parked, doors closed, and the ignition key is handy. Remove any extra electronic interference like phone cases or garage remotes. Keep calm and follow each step exactly, because timing matters for entering programming mode. A fresh battery in the new fob improves success rates. If a step does not work, pause a moment and try again to avoid skipping the programming window. Begin by inserting the key and cycling the ignition from off to run several times until you hear a chime. Once the vehicle signals programming mode, press a button on the new fob to register it. Repeat button press sequences for additional remotes, testing locks after each registration. If the truck does not chime, pause and repeat the ignition cycles. Complete the process by turning the ignition off and testing all remotes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.